Hello students, welcome in our new chapter. The name of chapter is Flying Together. Let's see what are the things given here. First, read them. What are the some things of your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Are they ask you to get up early in the morning? Are they asked you to do the homework on time? Pack your school bag? Are they asked these questions to you students? Yes, many of us heard these kind of questions regularly. Then look at that question here. What happened when you didn't do as they asked you to do? What happened when your father or mother, your parent asks something to do? And what happened if you didn't do that thing? Okay, I will tell you what happened. It may be happen like sometime we became nervous, then sometime we will be scolded by our parents, and the most important fact is sometime we have to regret, and then we feel so sorry for not doing the thing on time. So student, never forget what your teacher and your parents told you to do. Okay students, so let's see, before starting our lesson, let's see that trees and plants are to be conserved. Discuss in class and find out which plants and creepers or trees may be harmful for the existence of others. So students, first of all we will discuss how trees and plants are to be conserved. Why the need of conservation of plants and trees? Let's see. Trees and plants are to be conserved because there would be no shade, no trees full of birds singing wonderful songs, and nothing for kids to climb. It is also more beneficial economically as well as environmentally too. Deforestation is one of the main factor in climate change. By conserving trees, we will slow down the global warming and reduce climate change. Without trees, world would be very different place. Student, just imagine, without trees, that world would be very different place. Unfortunately, due to overuse of natural resources, some places are already facing these issues like uh, temperature issue, global warming, etc., scarcity of water. Many things are there. We cut down the trees for something, and sometime, even though some trees are planted to take their place, sometime we planted new trees to take their own places of plants, but it takes years for them to grow. Future generation may face a shortage of everything, and therefore this is why tree conservation is so important. There are a lot of things you can do to help conservances and protect our trees. This includes planting new trees and many more. So students, I think you would understand what I am saying about conservation of trees and plants. So now let's start. Let's see what is the actual lesson. Okay, this is the story. It is about the bird geese. It is about the geese. Here in the story, geese means is a bird. It is a bird. Okay, it is a large web-footed bird. Okay, students. So let's see what happened with the geese and their fellow ones. Okay, let's see. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Once there was a forest, and there was a very tall tree. Its leafy, its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. And that plant was very old plant. It was very leafy branches that spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of flock of wild geese, and as it was spread widely, this tree was the home of flock of wild geese. Look at that, geese means that is the bird, that duck like bird. Okay, uh, they felt safe there, and all the geese felt very safe there. One of the geese was wise old bird. It is like a female bird, and it was like a very wise, clever, as it was very old. Okay, he noticed a small creeper. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. Means at the foot of the tree, that old wise bird saw the creeper. What it mean by creeper? Creeper means it is a plant that needs a support to grow. We oftenly look around us at the time of rainy season, that small creepers went to our walls. Okay, like that. So he noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. After noticing that creeper, he informed other geese about that small creeper. He told like that, see what he told. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. Let us destroy it. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. That old geese told them, means another fellow, to just destroy this creeper. But in response of that old one's question, one of the geese asked that why must we destroy it? Let's see what happened next. It is so small. What harm can it do? That one of geese asked. It is so small. What harm can it do? My friends, replied the wise old bird, that little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. When this creeper grows up, when it becomes thick and strong, it creeps all the tree. Okay, what of that? Asked the geese. Then another geese asked, what of that? What harm can a creeper do us? What harm can creeper do us? We don't have to worry about it. Like that, they discussed together. Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. Hey, hey geezers, look, with the help of that creeper only, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. He again told to geezers that a hunter can come up and kill us all. Okay, let's see what happened next. I think you are more curious to know. Let's see. Well, there's no hurry, they replied. And other that young ones replied that there's no hurry, we will destroy it later, like that. The creeper is very small now. It would be a pity to destroy it now. And they said like it would be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young. The old bird advised again. Look, destroy the creeper while it is still young. The old bird advised. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. As it is tender, as it is very young, you can easily cut it. Later, it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. When it become old, it will become hard and strong and you will not be able to cut it. That old geese advice to others. Okay, look at that next. We will see, answered the bird. But bird neglect that advice and told him that we will sit. But they did not destroy the creeper, and they forget all to destroy the creeper. Later, see what happened? They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, as the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. All the geese forgot to cut the creeper, and it began winding its way up to the tree. Winding? Winding means go in a circular. Look at that. It goes circular to the trees. And therefore, what happened? Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. And as it grows longer and longer, it became stronger too and thick. Okay. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. And one morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. Then, let's see. So, this is where the wild geese live. And hunter came at the place where the wild geese lived. He said to himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. That hunter replied, or hunter muttered himself that when all the geese come back in the evening, I shall catch them. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. That strong creeper. Let's see, student, what happened next. It is more interesting. He got to the top and spread his net there. Hunter went up on the tree, and at the top he spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. He spread there a net. He climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. They did not notice it. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They were suddenly trapped. They struggled hard to get out, but could not. All in vain. All in vain. Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? And look at that. They are shouting, look at that picture. They all were trapped in the net. And they cried out, help, help. We just caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Like that. Then see what happened next. Now, don't make a fuss now. Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Now don't argue, says wild bird. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper. Long ago I advised you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. That old bird said. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. We were foolish, we birds. One of the geese replied. We were so foolish. We are sorry. We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Hey, our wise bird, please tell us what to do. We are so foolish. We wept. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. You just pretend to be dead. To show, pretend, it means to show meaningfully, purposefully. Purposefully you show you are to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not harm dead birds. hunter will not harm dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down. Collect the birds, collect the dead birds. Look at that. What advice, what kind of a trick that old bird gave to the other birds. He told that when hunter came, you just pretend to be dead. When hunter saw you, he will throw us to the ground. It will be then easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds, and get that and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. What a nice trick it was. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. In the morning, then what happened? In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. In the morning, hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They are all dead. He muttered to himself. He muttered to himself. Muttered means spoken in a low voice to himself. They are all dead, like that. He threw them out of the net one by one. As he found that all the geese were dead, he threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. And when the last one was thrown by the hunter, they all got up, flapped their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. Okay, students, this was a lesson was taken from short stories from Panchatantra, a wise old bird. Okay, students, the writer of the story was Shiv Kumar. Here, our whole the lesson finished up. We will see question and answer on this lesson in our next session. Thank you for hearing.